Hey, what's up guys? Today I want to talk to you about something that literally changed my life, creating mobile apps. I truly believe it's one of the best digital investments you can make right now. Whether you're a developer, a marketer, or just someone with a cool idea, I'm going to break down why this is one of the lowest risk, high reward opportunities out there today, even if you've never built an app in your life. Let's start with the big picture. There are over 6.9 billion smartphones in the world. People are literally glued to their phones, playing games, using tools, scrolling endlessly. And behind every app on their screen is a creator just like you or me. But here's the crazy part. You don't need to be some sort of Silicon Valley genius. You don't need millions in funding. You just need a good idea and a small budget. And now with AI, that barrier has dropped even more. Tools like ChatGPT can help you plan your app, generate content, write your descriptions, even debug code if needed. There's never been a better time to create apps. Now, let's compare it to something everyone calls a smart investment: real estate. Let's say you buy a house for $250,000. You put 20% down, that's 50 grand up front. Maybe you rent it out for $1,500 a month if you're lucky. But then what? You deal with repairs, late rent, noisy neighbors, legal headaches, and a roof that randomly leaks in the middle of winter. Now, compare that to an app I launched on the App Store. The first version cost me less than $1,000 to create. That same app has made me over $500,000 and still makes me thousands of dollars a month to this day. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below so you can check it out after this. So, no late rent, no stress, no calls about broken toilets, just money rolling in while I sleep. Last year, my mobile game apps made $220,000 in profit. Let that sink in. All of that came from simple, fun games, nothing crazy. And the best part, once the game is live and ranking for the right keywords, you don't need to touch it much. Maybe a few updates, respond to reviews, tweak some keywords, but the upkeep is minimal. And I'm not some unicorn. With the right approach, anyone can do this. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Justin, I don't know how to code. Guess what? Neither did I when I started. You don't need to write a single line of code if you don't want to. There are incredible freelancers out there on Upwork, Fiverr, even through my own network. You can build your app, design the graphics, and help you launch it. You just need a clear idea, a small budget, and the willingness to test, learn, and keep going. Think of yourself as the producer. You're bringing the project to life. You're the one steering the ship. Here's where most people get it wrong. They try to build the next big social media platform with some super complex tool. You don't need that. You need to solve a small problem or entertain. You need to rank for the right keywords so people can find you. So you want to target search terms that drive traffic. And traffic means downloads, and downloads done right means revenue. If you get 500 people a day downloading your app with the proper monetization in place, you can easily generate thousands of dollars a month from a simple project. Let me break it down in terms of risk. You're not risking your life savings. You don't need to quit your job. You can build your first app in 30 days or less. Even if you invest $1,000 and it doesn't work out the first time, guess what? You learned, you built an asset, you've got 10 times more experience than you had before. But if it does work out, now you've got a digital asset that pays you every month. You can reinvest into another one and start building digital cash flow just like real estate, but way more scalable. I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you this because I know how life-changing it is to make money from your phone, to wake up to passive income, to have the freedom to build your dream life on your terms. So whether you're a developer, a marketer, or someone just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, this is your sign. Start small, learn fast, and build your first app, because the App Store isn't slowing down and the digital gold rush is happening right now. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of app you're thinking of building. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe and peace out.